This is your Data Science Minute, and today I'm going to share 4 different times when I have found it helpful to have emotional intelligence as a data science leader. First is your conversations with your stakeholders. You're going to have conversations when you tell them no, that you can't work on their projects because of resources or the return on investment. Opposite of that, you're going to have conversations where you do finish their project and now you have to get their buy-in on the results of the algorithm. Second time is when you're negotiating for resources, whether it's additional staff or additional hardware, additional GPUs, you're going to find yourself having those negotiating conversations at different levels within your organization. Third, emotional intelligence has also helped me write better emails and run better meetings. I used to be someone that rushed into the content of the email or the content of the meeting, but now I've learned to take a step back and really exercise a little bit more emotional intelligence, and that has led to better results during meetings. And finally, it also helps with your leadership skills. Having emotional intelligence and seeing things from other people's perspective is one of those first steps to having empathy. And if you can become a leader that leads with empathy, then you're really on your way to running a better team and just growing more and more as a leader. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.